In today's video, I will be teaching you and also sharing with you how I was able to generate 7 million from a single product. That is approximately $4,000 just from one single product. I'm going to be revealing all the strategies, how I use ChatGPT to come up with ideas, and how I am promoting it using Instagram. So if you are an entrepreneur or anyone who is looking to turn your passion into a profitable business, this video is a must watch for you. Get ready to be inspired and motivated to create your own product. I still remember when I first started out, I spent countless of hours doing my research, testing, experimenting. So looking back at my journey right now and everything I'm going to be teaching you today, I realized that being able to make my first 1 million, 2 million, or 3 million was pretty much easy. It's just about you bringing out that thing that can genuinely impact people. It's also about perseverance, creativity, and innovation. And in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through the step-by-step guide of how I use ChatGPT to come up with ideas, how I edited it using Canva, and everything I did in between. So for the sake of transparency, the course I am talking about is a live training. However, you can replicate this same process for your ebook or for any training or for your course. So head over to ChatGPT and put in this exact prompt that I have here. However, replace it with the course or whatever you're looking to create. And my prompt is, I want to create a course for expectant mom between the age of 20 to 35 years. And this course will focus on helping them understand the importance of mental health and healthy living during pregnancy. I don't know what the title of this ebook will be. I need your help with that. I also need you to build a detailed outline for this course, make the tone conversational, relatable, and interesting. I want to create an ebook that will be hot selling. However, if you already have a title for your ebook, go ahead to put it in the prompt. And once you're done putting in your prompt, hit on enter and ChatGPT will go ahead to generate a topic for you, generate a detailed outline of what your potential course or what your potential ebook will look like. Also, if you have an outline already, you can as well feed it into ChatGPT for it to modify it and make it better. And once it's all done creating your outline, this is the first step. Go ahead to copy it and proceed to your Word document. Now go ahead to paste all of the ideas you copied from ChatGPT. This is a very critical aspect. Remember that we gave it a prompt to produce topic ideas for us. So first off, we're going to pick out any of the topic ideas that we love and delete the one we don't want. Also, it is very important that you spend a lot of time here modifying the outline so that it shows your originality in the ebook or the course you're trying to create. And once you're done making the modification and all of that, take it back to ChatGPT, input it as a prompt again, and ask it to develop a full-fledged description for this particular outline that you put into it. And ChatGPT will go ahead to do that. And once you're done with this, the next step is to proceed to Canva. Now that we are on Canva, go ahead to select ebook templates. Once you select ebook templates, Canva is going to go ahead to bring out all the amazing templates that they have for you. It's okay if you don't have a pro version. Go ahead to make use of the free version of templates, but if you can, get a pro version so that you have a lot of opportunity. Look through carefully on all the templates that have been brought out. Select the one that aligns closely with what your ebook is all about. So let's take, for instance, you're talking about self-healing. Select a template that is close to that. You're talking about digital marketing. Select a template that is close to that. The reason why you should do this is it makes editing easy for you, because each of these templates would have things that are close to what your ebook is all about. Now, because our ebook has to do with wellness and all of that, I'm going to go ahead to select this particular ebook. So click on it when you've made your choice and click on customize these templates. Canva is going to bring you to this other interface. Now, at this point, you need to bring your creativity to work. Whatever you know that you don't like on these templates, start off by taking them off, delete them out. First, do this to delete all the things that you don't know. That way, it helps you to visualize what the template currently looks like and where to make modification. So begin to make changes, put in the title of your ebook and put in your name where necessary. Replace the pictures if you don't want the pictures that are here. The goal of this is to be able to design an ebook that people would love to purchase from you. Now, if you know you're not creative or you can't do this by yourself, by all means, get people who this is their area of specialty so that they can do it for you and you can have your best work. So go through all of this. And when you're very much done with everything, putting in all your contents, replacing everything that you need to replace, and you feel like your ebook is perfect, I would suggest you also send it to somebody who you trust to provide you an holistic view of what your ebook looks like. And once everything is all good, proceed to this share button. Click on the share button. Now, this share button gives you the option to download and you will see public view. Now, if you just want to copy the link, go ahead to click on public view, click on create public view link. However, if you want to download it as a PDF, click on share again and come to the download option. Select under file type, select PDF standard. And once you're done, hit on download. Now we're going to be using PDF because I'm going to be showing you how to upload it on Seller and publish your ebook online. Now our ebook is ready. It is downloaded. We're going to proceed over Seller. Remember I told you when we started this video that I have made over 7 million from just one single product. And you can see clearly that this is my account and this is my name. Come over here and click on all products. So I'm going to click on all products and proceed to my products that I've used to make this money and click on view sale. As at the moment of recording this video, this course has made me 7.5 million since I launched it, right? And you can see all of that clearly. So I'm not telling you what is fake or what does not exist. You can literally make money from monetizing your knowledge or creating an ebook or creating a course or a training, depending on what you want to do. Now come back over here again and tap on add products. It brings us to this interface where you see select a product type to proceed. I'm going to, because it's a digital product that we're creating, and digital products are things like ebook, any downloadable products. It could also be music, it could be courses, depending. But we're going to be hosting it on Seller. If you're not a Nigerian and you're listening to this, you can host on other platforms such as Stan Store. So go ahead and select digital and select next. Now, it's going to bring you to this interface where you see add a product. The first thing you're supposed to do is to add the image of your product. And this image is anything that expresses what your product is all about. It could be a simple graphic design, and you can use Canva to create this graphic design. Once you're done putting in the product image, go ahead to put in your product name. Let's assume that this is a virtual assistant one-on-one coaching. Then after you're done putting the name of the product, put in the sales price in Naira or in dollar or in pounds, depending on the country where you are. Now, you can also tick on show strike out of original price. Doing this is just like putting what you feel this product is worth. So maybe the actual price you're selling it is 30K, but in the original price, you're putting in 100K and striking it out. This is a very good marketing strategy to make people to take action, showing that they are buying it for lesser. Now, once you're done putting in all of the price and everything, proceed to insert text here. Under the insert text box, all you have to do is to put in the description of all that your product is all about. If you have if you have pictures, go ahead to use these options above here, import your pictures, put in all the text, and you can use ChatGPT to come up with a product description, just in case you don't know. Once you're done with putting in all the text and everything, come under category and select which category your products fall under. I'm just going to select wealth and finance. Then under subcategory, I'm just going to select personal finance, but select the subcategory your product also belongs to. Now, you can see under product type, this is a digital product already, so leave it that way. If this course is going to be pre-order product, go ahead to check this box on. But if it's not going to be a pre-order product, check off the box. Now, you can also see upsell and cross-sell. When you click upon this, you're going to see manage product. What this option gives you is if there are other products you want people to see, other products that you have that you want people to see when they are purchasing your course, go ahead to like click on manage product upsell and select the product here. And once people purchase your course, they can easily see that. If there is also a course you want people to see, like often purchase together, you can add it under cross sell. Now, when you're done putting all of this, return back to more details, and under give buyer access to file, because we downloaded the file, you need to make a choice here. Do you want people who purchase your course to be able to download it after purchasing it? Then you select downloadable file. Now, if you want them to only access it using seller, select read online only, then PDF, of course. Once you're done making your choice, tap on drag and drop your product file here, head over to your phone, wherever the product is, select it and upload it here, and you can already see it. Now, do you want people who purchase your product to like have direct access to you? Select automatically redirect buyer to an external URL. Then put the URL here, maybe a URL to your WhatsApp, so that they can easily chat you after purchasing your product. Then once you're done with all of this, everything is all good and ready, click on create product, and seller will automatically create this product for you. It will be published and you will generate a unique ID. Now, let's assume that this is our unique ID. The next thing you need to do is to proceed to Instagram. Instagram is a very good platform. However, Instagram is my choice. If other social media like Facebook, TikTok works for you, go ahead to use them as the best option to promote your course. Please follow me on Instagram if you're not in between. So click on edit profile. And once you click on edit profile, it's going to bring you here. Please, the edit profile part or adding the link of your course, please do it from your phone. You can see it is not editable, but because this recording is done from my laptop, it's not editable. So do that from your phone and go ahead to like put the link under the website. And once you're done putting the link under the website, you are all good. The next step after now is to start creating content, talking about what you do, provide value that people can gain from, and automatically your course will begin to sell. Like naturally, you don't even need to push people. Just ensure that you create a course that you know resonates with people and your content is valuable. People will naturally trust you and want to purchase what you're selling. And once we are done with all of this, trust me, you have created one source of income that will pay you over time. If you need a coach that can guide you and teach you how to create your own course while holding you by your hand, then check out the link below for my digital marketing training. I hope you've been able to learn something from this video today, like from all of my crazy journey of starting, how I use ChatGPT and everything. It is possible to make money online. However, it takes time, effort, and patience. I've also learned that success is not just about the destination. It is also about your journey. What are your thoughts on making it big online? Do you have like any success story you would like to share? Let me know in the comments below. And in the meantime, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.